Hi, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're gonna be doing a 15-minute cardio hiking here in gorgeous Ithaca. We're in the park of Robert H. Tremont, and I hope you enjoy the views. Now remember, you can do this at your home, however you feel more comfortable. I decided to choose this park because it's amazing views, so that way you get inspired while you hike with me and you still stay very healthy. So follow me. In this backpack is just simple things. I just have some snacks, some sunscreen just in case the sun decides to come out, and some first aid in case that we slip and have some accident. It's always good to be prepared, and some bug spray also to keep ourselves healthy and not get any weird diseases. And now we're gonna be starting. Now you see we start the 15-minute hiking, so let's kill it. It's very fun and interactive this way because now you're also seeing that you're doing it with me, and also you see that other people are doing it as well. The important part is that you don't give up. Stay motivated and healthy. We do receive a lot of snow in winter, so that's why we try to stay as much fit and active during the summer cold months, which is kind of chilly right now, but at least it's good for the hiking. But please don't get discouraged if you live in a place that you cannot go outside for hiking. You can do this in your treadmill. You can also do this around your building as long as you walk continuously for 15 minutes. That is one of the most important things. A little bit later, we're gonna be talking about intensity and different levels of difficulties. But for now, we're just gonna focus on the 15-minute cardio. If you are an experienced person with exercises, you can also do a 30-minute cardio workout, which is perfectly amazing. But right now we're focusing on beginning, the beginner's mode. If you have a treadmill, you have an A+ right now, because that way you can also set the level intensity on your treadmill. And like I said, I hope this gorgeous view keep you motivated and keep you rocking it throughout all this workout. Flow of water. Very interesting footsteps. And like I said, just to keep you motivated that is all up to you. Like I said, remember to keep a steady pace. Gorgeous view. Come on, motivate yourself. Thank you so much. Oh, you have to be careful here with the dog. But if you're an owner, you have to be careful of none of those things. throughout your cardio, before or after. You know your body best, but always remember to keep hydrated. Only 4 minutes and 20 seconds away. Only 3 minutes and 13 seconds away from finishing. Now remember, you're gonna see me in different levels of endurance, but if you're in your home, just try to do your best. It can be a flat surface all the time. If you have a treadmill, you can put endurance into it, step up the levels, only if you feel comfortable with yourself. The important thing, don't stop. And above all, don't give up. Come on, we're almost done. When we're about to finish is when we should do 100% more. Let's finish strong. Blood pumping, sweat all over coming down, but this is a good cardio. 45 seconds away.
You know?
We did it! Our 15-minute cardio hiking workout, it has finalized. I hope that you guys enjoy all of this that we have accomplished. Remember, if you decide to visit this park because you're nearby, this is from Ithaca, Robert H. Sherman Park. It's a beautiful place to hike. It has different levels of challenge. It's kind of very unstable surfaces. But remember, don't give up. Stay healthy. Very important. At the beginning and at the end of each exercise that I teach you guys or that I encourage you to follow, always stretch. Stretch, stretch to prevent any injury. And I hope to see you soon on my next adventure to keep you healthy. Bye!